Big
Yeah,
red. Alright. Well, since I'm at this spot, and I've got the strength to jump it. Hey, what the hell? I'm underweight. Lol. Legit, I'm underweight with this fucking huge kit. That is troll. That's actually too funny.
Yeah,
Since
exactly what.
lobby's gonna be that stacked, we're gonna have people crossing our landing bridge on the right side, most definitely. Smuggles, even? Oh, that's a bird. This level 5's about to kill someone. Someone just went through hole. There's that big red spawn as well. Oh, I killed one.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, no way. Killed two. Damn it, I missed the guy across the landing bridge. There is a guy that's at,
Okay, I see. He's way far there.
at bush. That's a scav. That's a scav. I'm ready to rotate when you are, Big Eddie. You
Yep.
go to Dawns?
Just for sure.
Oh, scavs, this is fucking hilarious. No way that was players. Okay,
You're killing everything till dorms.
pretty much. We've probably killed off 5 players or 5 scavs. We'll find out. I definitely killed 2 players at construction though, and then 1 crossed over at back outside on the landing bridge. I missed him. Killed a scav at roof, and then pretty sure there's a scav on the left there at smugglers. Hey, it's not billing Timmies when you're a Timmy yourself, chat. You know. Someone's on hill 1. Just saw heat signatures. Wow. Oh no, they're windows of dorms.
Ah, okay.
No, there's that someone? No, they're windows on dorms. Okay. I hate getting. I always get confused with that. Ooh. I'll just thermal the hill, make sure that we're clean.
Can I place my camera here?
Oh yeah. Get your camera quest on.
Is it too late to
Perfect.
quest?
Hey, brother, hold on. Don't come in yet. Don't come in.
Yo.
How we doing?
What?
Yeah, good brother. How you? Hey, chill. You chill?
I'm doing pretty good. How about yourself?
Yeah, not bad,
chill.
bro.
I'm chill.
Hey, I'm chill as well.
I'm chill. I see your teammate over
Hey,
there.
I'm like level 2. Oh no, hold on. I'm a
level.
level 3 or level 4 at the moment. You solo?
Oh, I deceived,
I am a
man.
solo.
Hey, bro. Yeah, easy. I'm chill. Just don't shoot, bro.
Hope they don't kill me because I deceived.
My mate DC'd.
What the fuck?
Yeah, bro. Dude, what are you doing anyway? What's your tasks and stuff that you gotta do? Fuck that. I ain't trusting no dude. Eddie, I'm protecting. I'm not trusting no cunt on here, bro. That guy was coming for me. Level 59, dude. Kappa killer as well, dude. I ain't trusting that man. He was sus from the get-go.
Yeah, he kept picking me and...
That man would not be able to resist the drip that I was wearing. Would have killed me straight up. Hey, Russell, no worries, brother. Take care, dude. Thank you so much for this kit, bro. we're gonna be having some fun with it. That's for sure. Hey, Metal, what's up, brother? How are you, man? Thank you so much for the kind message, bro. Appreciate it, dude. Bro, like I've been betrayed that much. The nice guy is gone, bro. Fucking nice guy in Tarkov is gone. Especially when I'm a level 3 or like a level 4 account. There's no way I'm trusting any fool like that. Whoa, 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 DC as well. Nearly.
Alright, I'm back.
Back? Beautiful, brother, beautiful.
Yep, sir.
Alright, the thermals. Oh my god. Crazy. Alright, we need to take it to dorms. We need to go get this machinery key and then we're gonna go to construction. Go construction, go get our pocket watch. Man, we're boosting. 3 raids. We're 2 raids. 2 survived so far. The factory raid didn't count. Big rock dog, of course, man. He wasted 3k. Fucking no. 1 second, I'm just gonna check. Oh, fuck. Lag. It must have been scavs that spawned up. Oh, we got someone internal wall. Internal wall at construction. About to do the jump over, I'm pretty sure.
Right, I'm pushing a bit.
Ah, he's dead. He's dead. Got it.
Ah, alright.
Bro, what's up with this terrain, though? Just triple tap, double tap, make sure. Don't want to get killed by that guy. M61? Oh my god. Crazy. Alright, let's get into
Mission
dorms.
problems again. Right.
Yeah, I'm getting that. A little bit of like kick out sort of action. Yeah, definitely. We got to check those guys that we killed over at construction as well once we go there. So we'll go clear out dorms. We'll get dorms key. We'll make our way to construction. We'll open up the pocket watch, grab that, and then yep, do whatever. We're grooving. Grooving. Sounds good.
Alright, I'll go first.
Alright, on the 2nd floor right now. I had so many TTs. Alright.
Right, coming up. I'm on 2nd.
No worries, no. I
Stairs.
haven't checked out everything.
I'm going to 3rd a bit.
Yeah, I'm on 2nd right now. About to get the key.
You're 2nd, not 3rd, okay?
Yep. I'm in the key room right now.
Okay, it all looks clear.
Yes, machinery key, let's go boys. We're on.
You wanna loot around or just scoot?
Let's go straight over to the straight over construction. I was gonna go back to that hill that we sat on. I just
I'm on
killed
2nd
someone.
with you, I think.
Nice. Play scav?
Oh, you are outside of...
Yeah, I'm outside, I'm outside. I'm
Ready?
going back to that hill. Yeah,
Right, coming with you.
just me in front. Alright, I was thinking of doing hardcore, but hardcore's just, it's not fun, bro. I don't find the fun in hardcore runs anymore. Like, I played it a little bit before I transitioned that account to double kappa, and man, it was cool, but there was no enjoyment in it for me. Alright, let's go to oh, is that door open? I think someone actually took, yeah, someone did. Someone actually got the pocket watch as well. Already. Alright, let's go. I'm so happy this event is live when I fucking play this new account. Makes running around and everything so much easier. Yeah, scouts. Mechanic side is cool. Where'd this guy die? I killed someone around here too. Pocket watch we got. Good. Bottom and top skeleton are clean. I think those scouts that I... No, they were PMCs that I killed before. Oh my god. Damn.
Ooh, nice shot, man.
Gooses too. Was. You moving around me? Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there's another dead guy here.
Yeah. The other dude that I got too.
Also, no, Eagle Hunter, yeah. Also you. Nice MK, ULAC, Gen 4,
No way, dude.
level
That was
47.
oh man, no way they got tapped off the bat like that. That was from here, through the shack, all the way through that hole in the wall. Barney. That's filthy. Oh my gosh. That's dirty. I was not gonna lie, that was really rough. Bro, what the... Okay, so the only thing that I've got to figure out is... Sniper scav?
Yeah, I think top of the silos.
Okay. I've got one more plate of loot up over here, and then we've got to go to ZBs. Okay. We'll make our way to Old Gas after this.
Yeah.
Anything that
Sounds
you
good.
need to do here for quests?
No.
Yeah, this is the other guy. There's no way, dude. Killing everyone here. What the hell? This guy's got M1A. He's literally got a fucking... Boys, what the fuck?
You got kids for days, man.
Alright, legit. What is this? Oh, I need this shotgun because it's got the freaking railing on it. I gotta make the hard decision to drop the Jenny. Yeah, we're doing that. We're dropping the Jenny for that. It's got the railing for the quest, and... Carry more anyway, so that makes sense. Do that. Okay. There is a Gen 4 armor here for you, man.
Ooh,
I'll
nice
grab
play.
that. Back of that. Okay, I need to get out. Oh, gas. Let's go. Go through mechanic. What about your day, man? What do you get up to on a day-to-day basis? Sniper scav, sniper scav.
No, sniper scav.
Yeah. Hold on. Comms. Someone is running right side. They're going through a hole in the fence. On the fence at roof.
Right.
Yeah, someone's going to roof extract.
Oh, they're running away from us.
Yeah, they ran away from us. That's good. They just went through crack. They moved behind this bin and then went to the hole. We'll let them go. Don't want to chase that.
Yeah, okay. They're lucky today.
They like it today. I'm in mechanic. The only thing that I need to kill is this sniper scav, because if he one-taps us, we're fucked. Yeah, he's there. Oh. Okay, top skull is clean. Hey, no worries, Metal, brother. Take care, my man. Thanks for obviously stopping through again. Appreciate the kind words, bro. Alright, let's go. All gas. We'll run the back train line. We'll run through the middle of, ditch. That's the thing with, like, playing early accounts where all the loot matters. It's like, you gotta take the safer routing and stuff like that. Okay, fortress clean, back train line's clean. Take it easy, Metal. See ya, brother. Hey, if anyone in my chat as well knows of Metal, go follow him, bro. He's a Rainbow... Oh, no, not a Rainbow Six Siege player. He's, Division game turned Tarky, bro. Give the man some love, bro. I'll shout you out at the moment, but fucking my hands are a bit tighter right now. Hey, thanks, Rocky. Cheers, brother. Yeah, the man himself, dude. Alright, we're pretty good. Pretty good, Eddie.
I've been playing Need for Speed Heat. Great game. I enjoyed that game. I played a good bit back when I was on console. Do you believe in the child? What's up, James? My daughter's boyfriend is heading to Tarkov. His son sits.
Oh, server lag. Scav?
I heard steps.
Yeah, scavs. How you doing? Inventory is clean. Okay, run's running left side.
I saw one.
Левый коронный, правый похоронный.
And
You're not running, right?
no, I'm not running. I'm not running.
There's somebody that's giving 3. I don't know if it's a scav or...
Oh, that's a scav. That was a
Oh,
scav.
it's
Yeah,
a scav.
that was a scav.
It's a scav, okay.
Alright, gas is up as well, so we can get out.
Nice.
Okay, one more. He's like right side. I'm just got an arm, Sam. It's actually on the gamble, boys. Legit. I think I did kill it, but just in case, be careful. Yeah, I said. One more scav over the blue fence. Eight down.
Alright.
I need to reload.
Oh, you
Stuff, hey,
scared
let's
me.
get it.
Before, when
Ah,
they
give me
were
this
only
for
in
two.
Russian, oh my god, I would crap my pants every time. Almost decay.
Sure, legit. Oh wait, how am I gonna this? Ah, damn. I'll suck that. Do that for a quest too. Oh, I'll just say bye to the Corin. They need Corin anyway. Bad armor. Bad ergo. Rather run nappy rigs over Corin. We'll loot off these scavs anyway.
Somebody's been here.
Holy cash, Reggie, already? Good.
Alright, it's clear.
Where's that other scav? Oh, this way. Oh yes, baby, that's what I wanted to see. What I wanted to see. Alright, that's that, that's that. We're good. Get it. Perfect, man. Very good run. Very good one. Once more.
Nice.
That's
You
insane.
survived both.
Well done, Barry. Well done. Thanks for helping me get the quest done, man.
Thanks for clearing out the lobby and then making it a walk in the park.
No worries, man. What did we get? A 234 kill straight off the bat. 1 minute 41 seconds into raid, do this guy. Literally, I got reported 4 times. So dealer 1 2. Okay, so we got a 47 and a level 6, so that guy was carrying the level 6. 59 and a 26. Far out. GG, I played.